At Main Street Advisors, we know that anything worth doing is worth doing well. Building wealth takes time and energy. It's about more than just fulfilling a need. It's about realizing a dream for the future, your dream for the future, and how we'll work together to accomplish that dream. It begins with a plan. With your input and our research, the right design emerges. A design capturing both form and function. A plan focused on your goals. We evaluate potential options. We weigh the risks and the rewards. We narrow down the choices according to our criteria, and we make our selections keeping your dream in mind. With careful attention to detail, each element of the portfolio is skillfully refined and crafted. We believe wealth management is more than a process. It's a relationship. We build portfolios that are a true collaboration of purpose and passion. Our success is measured by what really matters, meeting the milestones of your dream. Let's work together. Let's build something meaningful, something lasting, something strong.